Right now I want to show you how to use the RAM-HOL-UN7X Grip Cradle with the iPhone 3G and 3GS in a Mophie Juice Pack battery case. So this case is a little bit thicker because it has an external battery built in. First thing you need to do is open the X Grip Cradle by simply squeezing down on the sides. Put your phone in and it closes in. You'll see here that the arms have plenty of height there to grip around the thickness of the phone and the juice pack. Obviously the top and bottom ports and plugs and buttons are all exposed, and on the side here, which side, there we are, you have the volume switch, which it just makes it a little bit hard to get to because of the arm, but you can slide it up and down just so you can get access to what you need to. So there you have it. That's the RAM-HOL-UN7X Grip Cradle in use with the iPhone 3G and 3GS that is in a Mophie Juice Pack battery pack.